Unlock powerful communication features within HighLevel by seamlessly integrating Twilio for enhanced SMS and voice capabilities. First, access your Twilio console if you're new. Complete the sign-up process and then proceed to purchase a new phone number that suits your business needs and region. Once your number is active, locate your unique account SID and auth token, as these credentials are essential for connecting with HighLevel. Now, navigate to your HighLevel dashboard and open your agency settings. Find the phone system or Twilio integration section here. You'll select Twilio as your communication provider. Carefully paste your copied account SID and auth token into their designated fields after entering the credentials. Ensure you save your changes to establish the initial connection between the platforms. Next, you'll assign this newly integrated Twilio number to a specific sub-account within HighLevel. Go into the desired sub-account's settings and locate the phone numbers section. Click the option to add a new number. You'll now see your connected Twilio number available for selection. Choose it, assign it to the relevant users or locations, and save your settings. With your Twilio number now active and configured in HighLevel, you can immediately begin leveraging its robust communication features directly from your CRM. Send a test SMS or make a quick call to confirm everything is working perfectly, empowering your HighLevel platform with advanced messaging and voice capabilities.